From the thumbnail and title, you might have understood that what is this video going to be about. But for those who didn't, well, I'm going to give you a small introduction. So recently, the government of India had asked its citizens to link its voter ID with the Aadhaar card. So in this video, I'm going to show you two methods by which you can do the same. For people who are not from India and not the citizens of India, if you're watching this video, well, you can happily skip over this video. But if you wish to support us, you can drop a like to this video and also share it with your fellow Indian citizen friends. So it'll be useful for them. But anyways, if you don't know me yet, well, I'm the host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena, so let's get started. Alright, so as I said in the beginning, I'm going to show you two methods by which you can link your voter's ID with your Aadhaar card. So the first method is going to be by using an application called as Voters Helpline app. This app is only available for Android, it's not there for iOS, so keep that in your mind. But if you have an Android phone, you can do with that, or you can wait till the second method by which we'll be doing it through an online website. Anyways, so you have to go to the Play Store and search for Voter Helpline app. So this is basically the app by the government of India that contains all the things that's related to voter ID and stuff. So after downloading that application, you need to open it up and agree to all the terms and conditions. After doing that, tap on voter registration, and now you have to choose the last option which says Electoral Authentication Form 6B. This is basically a form which you should fill online with all the details to link your voter's ID with your Aadhaar card. So you have to tap on that and then tap on New User. I am assuming that you might not have an account already in this portal, but if you have an account, you can log in with that details. But if you don't have, just follow me through the video. So after tapping on New User, enter your mobile number and then tap Send OTP. Now enter the OTP, your email ID, and set a new password. After doing that, you have successfully created a new account. So you have to follow the same procedure as we have done in the beginning by tapping on voter registration and electoral form 6B. If you tap on that, it will ask you to enter the details that you need to enter to log in to that portal. So you have to enter the same details, after which it will ask you the OTP from your phone number. Enter that, enter the password, just tap on login. After logging in, it will redirect you to a page where you have to tap on Let's Start. So there will be two options now. There will be one option which says, yes, I have the voter ID number. There will be the second option which says, no, I don't have the voter ID number. So if you have the voter ID number, just tap on yes and enter your voter ID details and tap on fetch details. But if you don't have, then tap on no and enter the details that's related to your voter ID. Like for example, your name, your jurisdiction and all those stuff. And it will fetch the details of your voter ID through which you can get the voter ID number and then do the same as I've said in the beginning. Now after fetching the details, it will show you the matching records according to the voter ID that you have entered, and then you need to tap on next. And here you need to enter your Aadhaar card number, mobile number and email ID and the place of application. Now don't get confused when you see place of application. You have to just enter the place from where you are filling the form. That is it. There's nothing that you need to be worried about that. So after entering all the details, your mobile number, your email ID, your Aadhaar number and place of application, you need to tap on done. Now it will show you the preview of form 6B for you to check the details entered are correct or not. If everything's okay, then you need to tap on confirm and that's it. You have linked your Aadhaar card with your voter's ID successfully. Now in some situations, the app won't work correctly. There are bugs that will not let you to log in. So in that case, well, the second method will help you. So we are going to link your Aadhaar card with your voter ID by government's website, which is called as nvsp.in. You have to go to www.nvsp.in. This is basically the government's website for all the voter ID related stuff. So after going to that website, you have to tap on voter portal. You have to tap on this particular banner. And after tapping on that, you have to enter the details if you have already an ID. Now keep in mind the ID that you've created through the app will not work in this website. So you have to create a separate ID for you to use in the website. So if you don't have an ID, just tap on create an account and fill all the details which it asks, and then you are good to go. You have created an ID. So now you have to enter your mobile number and the password and you have to log in. So after logging in, you have to tap on Aadhaar linkage. After tapping that, you need to enter your voter ID number and then fetch its details. After doing that, you need to tap on save and continue and then enter your mobile number, and they'll send you an OTP for confirming it, whether it's you or not. So after entering the OTP, then you are confirmed. You can do the next step. So the next one is entering your Aadhaar details, and you can do that by tapping yes, I have Aadhaar number option. So after entering the details required, just tap on save and continue. And now you need to enter the place of application which you know and tap on save and continue. Now it will show you a preview of the form 6B for you to check the details entered are correct or not. If everything's correct, then simply tap on submit and you're good to go. Your form has been submitted. It will also give you a reference number for you to keep a track on the status of what happened to the linkage process. You can check it via their website or their app. It's very simple. So yeah, these are the two methods by which you can link your voter's ID with your Aadhaar card, and I'm sure one of these methods will easily help you to link your voter's ID with Aadhaar card. And keep in mind, if you've recently created your voter's ID, then I'm assuming that it will be already linked to your Aadhaar card. But if you have created it way before, then you have to follow this step because it's very important, as the government has directed all the citizens to do. Now, if you feel this video was informative and useful, then drop a like to this video and also share this video with all of your friends, because it's really important for you guys to link your Aadhaar card with your voter ID. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we create a lot of tech content that's helpful and informative. So just tap on subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming videos. So yeah, this is me Arnav signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.